In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up domain emails using your Gmail account. This will allow you to manage your professional email addresses, all within the familiar Gmail interface. Whether you're looking to streamline your work communications or simply appreciate the user-friendly design of Gmail, this guide will help you integrate everything smoothly. First things first, let's make sure you have access to your domain email account and your Gmail account. You will need the email address, password, and server details for your domain email. Keep these handy because we'll use them shortly. Now, open your Gmail account. On your Gmail dashboard, look for the gear icon in the top right corner and click on it. This will open your settings menu. From there, select See All Settings to access the full array of options. In the settings menu, you'll find multiple tabs at the top. Click on the tab that says Accounts and Import. This is where you can add or import your other email accounts. Once you're there, scroll down a little until you see the section labeled Check Mail from Other Accounts. Next to it, click Add a Mail Account. A small window will appear and you'll be prompted to enter your domain email address. Once you've entered it, click Next. You'll need to select Import Emails from My Other Account POP3, and then click Next again. Here's where your server details come in. You'll need to enter the POP server, which is typically mail.yourdomain.com. Also, ensure that the port is set to 110, or whatever your specific provider uses. Next, input your domain email address as the username and type in the password when requested. Make sure the option labeled Leave a copy of retrieved messages on the server is checked, in case you also want to access these emails through other means. Once you've filled in all the fields, click Add Account. With these steps completed, you can now send emails from your domain email through Gmail. In the same Accounts and Import tab, find the Send Mail As section and click Add Another Email Address. Enter your domain email, ensuring that you've entered it accurately. Leave the option Treat as an alias checked. When you move to the next step, Gmail will ask for the SMTP mail server information, which is typically something like smtp.yourdomain.com. Make sure you enter the correct details and your domain email password. Click Add Account once finished. As a final touch, Gmail will send a verification code to your domain email address to confirm everything is set up correctly. Go to your domain's webmail or wherever else you access it to find this verification email. Once you have the code, return to Gmail to input it and verify the connection. By following these steps, you've successfully set up your domain email within Gmail. Now, you can handle your professional emails using Gmail's interface, making it easier to navigate your communications in one centralized place. Enjoy the convenience and professionalism this setup provides, and good luck.